Ladies, it's a crazy, busy world we live in, and it's a busy life that we lead. And there are a lot of things we just have to get done in a day, things that pop up that we didn't expect. And there's also a lot of things that we just have to get done over time at least. They don't always have to be done right now. There are so many things I know I need to get done every month or every year, but it's really hard to get it all done at once. I know I have to break it down into bite-sized chunks. So I'm gonna help you out a little bit today, as well as myself, and I'm gonna give you 5 things to throw in the laundry today. If you have just recently washed these, good for you. You are ahead of the game. But for the rest of us, here we go. So I'm kind of just gonna walk you through my house as I show you these things, okay? So first of all, pot holders and oven mitts. Y'all, do you know how often these things touch food? I mean, I know they're not supposed to directly touch food, but they do. Put them in the wash. All right, next on our list is blankets, okay? If you live in Michigan or another cold state, they're used a lot during the winter, and sometimes, honestly, we sweat in them. We all know that. But how often do we wash them? And in a family, you know, we share them too, so adding to the germs and such that collect on there. Not that I'm germophobic and I like sharing blankets with people. But seriously, after a whole winter, we should probably throw them in the wash. So I'm just kind of starting this pile in the center of my house. Not a very convenient place, but at least I can see everything. All right, so next on the list is my apron, as well as winter coats. That's a lot of coats. We have now entered the bedroom. Any robes or anything else that touches your body on a regular basis but isn't washed on a regular basis, toss in the wash. Last but certainly not least, your bedspread and any washable pillow shams. I think that about wraps it up. I think it was around 5 things. You get the picture. So I'm now laying atop this monstrous pile of laundry I've created. Let's just get her done, girls. Let's throw it in the wash. Let's get it over with. You won't have to do this for a while afterwards, so let's just do it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully it was helpful to you. And as usual, if you enjoyed this video and specifically would like to see more like it, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you're not already. All right, I'm gonna stop filming and go actually do this. So see ya, and I'll talk to you next week. Bye.